The World Health Organization is warning Latin America against reopening too early, saying the COVID-19 pandemic still requires major control interventions. Speaking during a virtual briefing from Washington with other Pan-American Health Organization directors, WHO Latin America Regional Director Carissa Etienne said coronavirus cases in Colombia's border area with Venezuela have increased tenfold in the last 2 weeks. There have been nearly 30 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the world, as well as more than 939,000 deaths.
Latin America has started to resume normal social and public life at a time when the COVID-19 pandemic still requires major control interventions, World Health Organization Regional Director Carissa Etienne has said. The number of French people being treated in intensive care units for COVID-19 rose for the 20th straight day to a 3-month high of 803, while the number of new daily cases was the third highest on record. French health authorities reported 9,784 new infections, just below the 10,561 daily all-time high reached on Saturday, bringing the cumulative number of cases to 404,888, the second highest in Western Europe behind Spain. And Germany has added Austria's capital Vienna and Hungary's capital Budapest to its pandemic risk list due to the rising number of coronavirus infections there. U.S. President Donald Trump contradicts the head of the main health agency over vaccines and masks. Trump says a vaccine would be available immediately and not as late as mid-2021. He also denied Centers for Disease Control Director Dr. Robert Redfield's suggestion that masks could be more important than a vaccine. South Africa, which had one of the world's earliest and strictest lockdowns, has announced a further easing of anti-coronavirus measures. From 20th September, an overnight curfew will be reduced. Gatherings will be allowed at 50% of a venue's capacity, and alcohol will again be on sale. Rules on social distancing and mask wearing will, however, remain in place. Nearly 29.7 million people around the world have been diagnosed with COVID-19 and 937,543 have died. According to data from Johns Hopkins University, more than 20 million people have recovered from the disease. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News.